Haven't a clue how it's going to go because I haven't stepped out and seen the massive stage yet. How are you feeling? Amazing. It's very little things I need to work on, but apart from that, I'm very, very happy.
Can you get us doing a little walk?
Yeah.
Stupid that's rich when it's coming from you. I just want a healthy conversation.
Make me look pretty. I know he was gonna say that. He probably says that to everybody. I will expose you now. I'm feeling super excited and nervous, but very excited. I just really can't wait to see how it looks on stage. I mean, you too probably, but nobody as much as me. You were amazing. I saw you. Yeah, so cool. That was awesome. That was so cool. I'm so excited. What do you think?
Amazing.
Thank you.
The sound went very, very well, and now I'm very excited to go see the stage because it's the first time I'm gonna go to the stage. I'm so excited. I'm gonna see the stage. Yes. Yes.
They never liked you. Try to keep my head above the water, but you making it so.
I feel amazing. I cannot wait to go on the stage. I didn't see it till now, and I'm for the first rehearsal. Oh, and I can't hear myself right now, and the sound is so good. I mean, I cannot wait to go there on the stage. I feel so happy. I mean, I've been working so much all my life for this, and this is happening right now. It's like dreaming, but still I'm super down to earth because it's, I don't know, it's super nice what is happening here, and I cannot wait to perform! Woo!
Bury all my things, bury me in my skin.
I'm feeling good. I'm just really focused. There's still some things that need to be done, need to be fixed, but I'm feeling optimistic, so it's all good. Having fun with it. I feel good. Yeah. Still some work to be done, but focus, we got it.
The catch is not the dress as itself. It's something to do with the dress and with my song. And that people are gonna see it only on Eurovision that night. I'm super excited. Really, I'm not nervous at all. I like this. I'm born for this.
Sometimes I feel good, sometimes I lose.
So guys, I love you. Thank you for all the support, and I'm so excited to sing. I'm gonna miss you
Now, promise I won't miss you now.
I'm so emotional.
I'm gonna hate you, never change you.
Awesome, man! Guys, go, man! I love this, man! Oh my god!
No need to apologize.
You're getting there with Sweden? You're coming up?
Getting down with Sweden? Is that what he said? Getting down with Sweden? Sounds so like a cool kid.
Guess all the good things come to an end. So baby, bye-bye. Wish you the best. But most of all, I wish that I could.
Really crazy to be on this huge stage right now. It was so exciting. It feels really comfortable, though I was falling and stuff, and dropped this into my pants. I was like trying to, like, you know, get it up, like, but like overall, it felt really, really good.
Just heard and I'm alone, but people say, my, how you've grown. Try changing jobs, try changing.
Well, I'm feeling extremely excited. We just had sound check, and it's also a special day for me. You guys know what is it? What is it?
It's your birthday!
You're sailing around in my peripheral. Where are you now?
Hello! Didn't know you were gonna be here. That was something.
Hoot.
Oh, hoot. It was a hoot.
That was, yeah, it was a hoot and a half. Can't wait to do it again.
Day 4 of Eurovision.
My first rehearsal was great. It was so incredible to step on the Eurovision stage.
So we are like preparing.
You know what I'm saying? Belgium represent.
You can tag me in the official TikTok.
Day 4 was amazing!
Have you heard what happened day 4 in Eurovision?
But look, we've got these zebra ears.
Oh, when the lights go on, Eurovision's really fun.
Just psyching myself out, you know, I'm just getting ready for my first rehearsal. I need to have that blood flow.
Crazy to be on this huge stage right now.
Day 4 of Eurovision is done, guys. Turn the lights off. Turn it.